are hard. But there were times that I see you, you were just crying. You were just always waiting for your parents.
Word of knowledge.
You want to go to a place where there's so much serenity. You want to go to a
Specific place. Specific place. Describe the place.
field. There's a field, a lot of trees, a lot of harvest. You want to see all of this. You know, yung mga corn or rice, harvest. It's a field.
Ask the Holy Spirit, is there a specific place that this person wants to go to? A nation, a place.
Parang countryside siya.
Ano?
Asia.
Narrow lang.
Tao ba to? Cambodia, Indonesia. Right back po. Thailand.
Okay. Tapos word of knowledge.
Ngayon,
I see as if there's someone. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wait. I don't know if this is. I don't know. I just felt like. I don't know. It's more of a relationship, more of Jesus and the disciple relationship. I think you're sitting with that someone and you're just reading things. And you talking about the person's back.
During your past year, it seems like you're misunderstood. There's a lot, even at your young age, you've already experienced a lot of trials in your life. There's a lot of hurt that has happened in your life, even during your childhood years. But the Lord is also saying that
Word of knowledge. So proud of you. So, sige, look at it. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Now let's call Sherwin. Let's call Mean. Mean ba? Hindi. Let's call Flor. Tapos let's call Jessie. No. Oo. Let's call Mon. And yung top 3 ba? Sorry.
Ang lupit ng ano yun.
Let's call T. TJ? T. Okay. Word of knowledge.
I believe this person is going through a tough time, and this child is asking that, am I going to be delivered from this situation? And it's asking, but it looks impossible.
You're officially part of my prophetic team. Yes. Don't do first. That's good. Probably about the person's past.
You have this friend of yours na it seems na gusto mo siyang mag-open ng personal things, but you have this second thought. But later on, naging close friend mo na rin siya. And then, it took some time na napalayo siya sa'yo. But right now, you still have communication with you or her. Pero,
Don't tell me about the person's past. Oo, kaya nga prophesy. Ang nakikita mo.
yung best friend niya, parang gano'n. Yung best friend niya na napalayo sa kanya. And then, it really took some time para mag-recover siya. Ayun.
That's the friend of both.
In good.
Prophesy about the person's destiny. Word of knowledge.
The mother of this person. God is moving to the mother of this person. And even going, it's like from their family, this is the one who has been going closer and closer to Christ.
Word of knowledge. Ako may moves.
Something that is related to the finances. It seems that there is a debt that needs to be paid pero hirap sila na bayaran iyon, and it resorted to some sort of compromise and some parang yung mga decisions nakakatay.
Okay. Word of knowledge.
I don't know what this person is thinking about. It's just a box, like a box in a room. And I'm not sure kung, parang hindi pa rin siya sure kung ano gusto niya gawin dun sa box, but this person is keeping a box.
Okay.
Yung box, kasi nung December, parang God has related me na magbigay. Pero nung ibibigay ko na sana, hindi ko siya naibigay. So, hanggang ngayon, nandun pa sa bahay yung box na hindi ko alam paano gagawin ko na. And, ano yun, Mr. Dad, ano yun, for your dad na, yung foundation ng family. Kasi ano,